Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make 3D animated text in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin, launch the CapCut app, initiate the new project, navigate to the Photos section, add your desired image, adjust the duration of the picture according to your preference. For instance, I'll set it to 7 seconds. Then scroll to the left to locate the opacity option. Adjust the circle to the left and confirm by tapping the check button. Return to the start by tapping back. Then select text and choose Add Text. Explore the Effects section and go for 3D text effect. Input the desired words for the text and expand it as needed. Once satisfied, tap the check button. Proceed to the animation section and choose your preferred animation from the In option. Upon selection, confirm your choice by tapping the check button. This concludes the process of creating 3D animated text in CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.